Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm go ahead and introduce our the news products on my right hand. These are meat grinders. Let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like a 23 inches long. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 17.5 inches tall. And the length of the unit is about like a 10 and 1/4 inches wide. So we can see the units coming with the security lock squeezers right here. You can just mount this top and remove it to release it and clean the inside. And also the front top head, we do having the replacement, the units right here. They give you two different sizes. And also the manufacturer, they offer sticks. You can put on the top to push the meat to this grinder, makes it going faster. And also when we're looking at the unit's body, they made by stainless steels. So we're looking at the behind of the units, we can see they do have a ETL sanitation stickers, and they're using the 110 powers. And from the manufacturer, they mark about like a 1600 watts for the units. And they do have emergency stop buttons at the behinds. And looking the set of the units, we have switchers on the right buttons. The units use standard 110 plugs, so manufacturer give you this head plugs too. And let me give you a measurement for these three sizes. Widest part is about like a 9.5 inches wide. And the length about like a 14 inches. And depth about like a 3 inches. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.